Welcome back to Bluudys Garage. This time, it's a little bit awkward, this video. I'm in the middle of filming the video you've probably already watched, which was the manifold stud. But because the exhaust is half off, it makes sense to do this video while I'm there. So this video is I'm looking at the engine management light and then I'm looking at the lambda sensor, because obviously something's not right there and we have the engine management light on for it. So first things first, and I can't start the car up because I have no manifold, and it would sound really loud and probably shoot fire at my radiator, so it's probably not good. If I didn't have neighbours, I would fire it up. So we're going to connect the OBDs on, and then we're going to see what they say, and we'll go from there. So currently the ignition's off. I will put the key in the bar already. The OBD port, if you don't know on a Corsa, excuse the camera, is there. So we are going to connect this into there like that. Here we have our little code reader. And can I hold it properly? Oh, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it, the ignition on. Might bring me up a bank 1 issue. Not fussed about bank 1 because I've disconnected it because I was doing the manifold. So I'm looking at bank 2 or whatever it's going to say on here. So let's go DTC lookup. Oh no, that's what's it. Oh, okay. You can search codes in there. So diagnose. I don't know if it keeps going until it finds a way to connect here, probably so. So DTC is in the ECU. Okay. Read codes. Bank 1, sensor 2. Sensor heater circuit, bank 1, sensor 2. Maybe I've only got one, maybe I've only got one bank, so it's 4-cylinder. Sensor 2 is the second one. So that's saying heater circuit for both of them. Both the same code. Don't know why it's in there twice unless it's supposed to give me 2 lots of information. Excuse me. I'm going to stretch my nose. There's only them 2 codes. I'm just going on things I don't need now. So we'll erase. In fact, we won't erase the codes. I have another code reader. I'm going to compare to see what this one says. So this is a C reader, 3001. I'm going to compare it with another one. So here we have an Ansel AD410. So the same principle under there. So it's connected. OBD2, IM, lookup, review, setup, etc. So let's go OBD, enter. I like this with a little cool screen. Engine manager light status on. Readiness supported 6. This supports more than the other one. Alright, so enter, read codes, current codes, heater circuit. Exactly the same as the other, so don't give us any more information. What was that code? P0141. O2 sense test. Sensor 2. Lean to rich sensor, minimum sensor voltage. It's past that. It's quite cool that you can test them. Maximum, it's past that as well. So then, why is it picking up a fault? Status, lean to rich. I generally think I've got 2 snapped cables, or a snapped cable. Right, so there's our lambda sensor. Don't really get much more room on it, if I'm honest. I'm going to disconnect the plug just above the drive shaft, just there. There's something wrong because obviously there's tape all over the wires. And I want to see if I can get it out. Yeah, we'll see how we get on. I decided to drop the exhaust off the rubbers in the middle, just because it was in about 2 threads. I think it was blowing. Either way, it's off. and knackered, so we're going to take it to the bench and have a look. So here we have our sensor that's wrapped in tape. Not really sure why it's wrapped in tape at the minute. I don't know if I'm going to find a cut wire or something. Before you are saying, oh, you're going to cut the wire with that knife, I'm only cutting down the tape. Oh, duct tape, you are one of the best things and the worst things in the world at the same time. Amazing when you want it there, not so amazing when you don't. It doesn't look great, guys, if I'm honest. Oh, it doesn't look good. We might have some joins here. Yeah, look, there we go. Snap cable. Again, don't know if I've just pulled that out of there, but it's obviously been connected on for a reason. So potentially, if that wasn't sealing, if any of these weren't sealing right, then this could be our issue. So what I actually need to do before I strip the others apart, I need to solder this one on, really, whilst I know which one goes to which on the white. You know, look at these joins. That's twisted together like that. Again, black to black, grey to grey. There is a white to white and there's this white to white. So I'm hoping they are connected to the right ones. I'm just going to connect them properly and solder them and heat shrink them. But I'm hoping this is the issue. So I'm going to do this and I'll come back to you. Just going to do the other wires now. So there we go. All soldered, actually soldered back together and then heat shielded. I am just going to get a bit of tape and just wrap the wires back together so they're a little bunch. But I'm hoping that it was just that being the issue. And then we need to try and get it to thread. Yeah, you can see where the thread's a bit knackered. Need to try and get it to thread back into the housing of the exhaust. But we shall see. So due to that thread, I managed to get it in, but it ain't going to go any further down than that. It's rock solid. I've got no idea if it's going to blow or not, but I think it's in slightly further than what it was before. But it ain't going in any further. I just can't get it in any further. So I'm going to lift it back up onto the hangers, connect the connector up there, and then see how we go. Now, for you guys at home watching this video, after this pretty clip, it'll all be done and back together, but actually I'm still filming the video before, which is the manifold, and I've still got the manifold to put on. For example, look, there's no manifold. So I've still got that to do, so you guys won't see that just yet. So we're not in gear. It's not actually going from there either. There's only one thing to do really, it's clear the code, fire it up and see if it comes back, and if it comes back, lambda's knackered. If it doesn't, we fix something. So at this point I've got no idea whether it's going to work or not, so ain't got nothing I suppose. So, diagnose. Come on, normally does that on KWP. Okay. Eraser codes. Yes, eraser codes. Please turn on and turn ignition on with engine off. I've done that. Has been cleared. Alright, let's back out then. We're out of gear. Let's fire up. I don't know how long it will take for it to come back on. Maybe a bit of revs. You know what? We might have done something here. I think we fixed it. I'm waiting to check, but we might have fixed it. It might have just been a snap cable. I said it looked dodgy. It says there's no DTCs. Go to 10th sensor test. So I'm doing some live testing. The first sensor, bank 1, is working. Bank 2 hasn't detected a change yet. I don't know whether that's because it's not up to temperature, because the engine revs aren't high enough. But the engine management light still isn't on. So I don't know if we fixed it or not, but at the moment I'm saying we fixed it. So there we go. I believe we fixed it. I will update you. I'm trying to disconnect my OBD. I will update you in another video or on Instagram or something if it comes back on. But for now, like when I cleared it last time, it came on like really quickly, like the next start. But I've started it 3 times now. Still not on. Revved it, played around with a few things, still not come on. So I think we may have fixed it. I hope we have. So that is not a free mod, but it was a free fix. So it's not cost us anything other than time. So I think that was a great fix. Too many greats. Well, I'm going to leave this video here because I don't know what else to do because this video done. I will plug my OBDs. I have an Ansel, which is the one I've just been using for the live graph. But I also have this C-Reader 3001 as well, which is what we used originally to have a look for the codes, which gave us the code P0141, I think it was. Absolutely wicked. I'm really happy with it. Really happy with the piece of the kit as well. There will be more videos coming with them when I do diagnostics on other cars, because I know you guys like that sort of thing. So, but for now, I have no codes, and we've fixed the issue with the Corsa. So thank you very much, everyone. I will see you in another video soon. Thank you very much.